Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us for this quick road assessment of East Highlands Ranch. This very quick road assessment will involve visual inspections of the general area, which will include surface evaluations of the streets, documentation of key factors such as road integrity, cracking, potholes, drainage performance, signage visibility, shoulder stability, and traffic patterns, just to name a few. Data collected during the process will help identify areas requiring your immediate attention as you travel around East Highlands Ranch. By carefully analyzing structural conditions and safety features, the assessment aims to bring awareness to certain areas or conditions that may help you stay safe as you travel around East Highlands Ranch. Without further delay, let's get started on this assessment. East Highlands Ranch is a master-planned residential community located within the city of Highland in San Bernardino County. It is widely known for its scenic setting at the foothills of the San Bernardino Mountains and its strong appeal to families. Developed primarily from the late 1980s onward, the neighborhood features mostly single-family homes in styles such as Spanish Revival and Ranch, arranged along quiet, winding streets with spectacular mountain views. The community spans roughly 800 acres and includes extensive shared amenities, such as pools, parks, tennis courts, a catch-and-release lake, and miles of walking and biking trails, all designed to create a cohesive, active lifestyle for residents. Also, East Highlands Ranch is widely regarded as a family-friendly area, with access to well-rated schools in nearby districts and a strong sense of community, fostered through an active homeowner association that frequently initiates neighborhood activities and neighborhood events. Its interconnected trail system links to regional routes like the Santa Ana River Trail, offering outdoor recreation and easy access to surrounding natural areas. Residents also benefit from proximity to local parks, shopping centers, and major Inland Empire job hubs, while still enjoying a quieter suburban atmosphere. Overall, East Highlands Ranch combines suburban comfort, recreational amenities, and scenic surroundings, making it one of the more desirable neighborhoods in the Inland Empire. Additionally, as you travel around East Highlands Ranch, you may notice that the streets are in good condition. The streets throughout East Highlands Ranch reflect the community's overall attention to upkeep, with smooth pavement that supports comfortable everyday driving and neighborhood appeal. While most roadways are in good condition, there are some minor imperfections typical of established residential areas, including light cracking, occasional skid marks, and a few visible road seams. Drivers may also notice a handful of slightly concave manhole covers that create small dips in otherwise even surfaces. Parked vehicles are commonly seen along the sides of the streets, adding to the lived-in, residential character of the neighborhood, while still allowing for easy navigation. Did you know East Highlands Ranch was designed with an extensive private trail system that winds throughout the entire community, allowing residents to walk, jog, or bike between parks, lakes, and neighborhoods without needing to use main roads? This interconnected network gives East Highlands Ranch a resort-like feel and makes it especially popular with outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy scenic views of the nearby San Bernardino Mountains while staying within their own neighborhood.
If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.